Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a very much anticipated model aircraft unboxing. I just got this in the mail today and I got this for such a good deal. I cannot wait to get into it. Of course, obviously from the title, this is the Gemini 200 British Airways Concorde. I'm so beyond excited. Let's get into it and take a look. You can see the box. So I got this from a website in the UK. It's called airspotters.com or .net or something like that. And I got it for such an amazing deal. I'm super happy that I found this. I just want to get into it. Alright, there we go. Alright, there it is. So of course it says Gemini 200 British Airways, and there is the plane. The registration on this one is Golf Bravo Oscar Alpha Foxtrot, and then of course it says Concorde. On the side it's basically the same thing, and on the back there's this really nice picture of the Concorde flying over. I'm not exactly sure where that is, but I'm guessing that is somewhere in the UK. And then this is a 2017 release. I am so excited. Let's get into this. Wow. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. This box has a flap like this. And on the top flap, you can see it has some information on the Concorde. If you want to, you guys can pause and read, but let's go ahead and take a look at the model. And it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So here she is. Oh my goodness. Alright, so here's the stand. This is the new style of Gemini 200 stands. I actually really like these a lot. And there's the plane, and then here is the landing gear, and then of course you have the gear up configuration as well. Let's go ahead and grab this thing out. I don't want to break anything here, and be very careful. Very impressive. Okay, let's get this out of the way. And let's set her on the stand. Oh my goodness. There's a little bit of dirt on the wings. That's okay though. That'll clean right off. Wow, look at this, guys. Okay, that's much better. All right, so let's go ahead and grab out the landing gear here. And we'll go ahead and put it on right now. There we go. There's the front gear, and then these two main gears here. There we go. And then finally there is the landing gear for the tail. Gemini jets have definitely outdone themselves with this model. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the details. Alright, so of course up at the front we have the very pointy nose of the Concorde. And what's cool about this model is you can actually tilt the nose down to allow the pilots to see the runway upon arrival. So that's pretty cool. And then of course we have the front door and the British Airways logo and the stripe. And kind of a cool fact is that the cockpit is 35 feet ahead of the nose gear. So it's kind of hard to maneuver this thing around the runway. Of course, we have an antenna up there, and then the very small windows of the Concorde and the Delta style wings. You can see that dirt is still there. I might have to clean that off a little bit extra later on. There's the overwing door, and then the rear door there, and then of course the very iconic British Airways tail. The registration, then the rear landing gear, which prevents tail scrapes on takeoff. And then on the bottom here we have the engines here, and the cool thing is that the rear part, I'm not sure what they're called, they actually move, which is interesting. What an absolutely fantastic model. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on a lookout for some more videos in the future, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, and I'll see you later.